Okay, so this time we will learn how to download and install the Binance app. First, you can download it from the App Store or Play Store, or maybe from Binance's official website, Binance.com. Well, you can click download here, but if you can't access it, you can go to my channel. In the description box, you can download directly on iOS or Android with just one click. Don't worry for those of you who are unsure if this is safe or not. This is official from Binance. I got it from the generate link here. Okay, then we just click it directly. Let's download for Android. Just click download anyway. I also downloaded my file from there before. Let's wait until our download is complete. Okay, the application has finished downloading, so let's just click it. Here, there are a lot of people who are confused, because many fail at the application installation part. Well, for those of you who might fail in the application installation, usually you will be directed to the settings section. Well, there. Install from the source you used to download. For example, if you used Chrome, you can check that because usually on some devices like Android, it always advises installing applications outside of those available on the Play Store. So, to avoid scam applications. Now, for those of you who are unsure whether this is safe or not, well, I got this from Binance's official link, so as far as I know, it's very, very safe. Okay, so we've installed Binance. Please go ahead and enter, unfamiliar or new to crypto, then you can register or log in. If you want to register, please use my referral code, because later you will get campaign bonuses, like the campaign from Shen, where you can get $13. Then from Shen, you can get $13. Then in Zama, where you can get rewards up to $2,200. Well, besides that, you will also get cashback every time you trade, amounting to 20%, which is the largest amount for those of you who want to use the referral code. So, maybe that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe.